Gold is often described as a safe haven asset because demand can increase when investors become more cautious about financial markets. Part of that comes from the way gold differs from many other assets. A share is linked to the performance of a company. A bond depends on the ability of an issuer to meet its obligations. A currency is influenced by the economy and the monetary policy behind it. Gold does not depend on company earnings or the performance of a single economy in the same way. This is one reason it can behave differently when confidence in other parts of the financial system weakens. During periods of market stress, geopolitical uncertainty, or concern about inflation, some investors may increase their exposure to gold as a store of value or as a way of diversifying risk. Its reputation also has a long history. Gold has been used as a store of value for centuries, and it continues to be held by central banks as part of their reserves. However, being considered a safe haven does not mean gold will always rise when markets become unsettled. Its price is affected by several other factors. A stronger US dollar can place pressure on gold because the metal is generally priced in dollars. Interest rates and bond yields can also influence demand, particularly because gold itself does not provide an income payment. This means there can be periods when gold falls even while uncertainty is increasing. The safe haven label therefore describes how gold has often behaved during certain market conditions, rather than providing a guarantee of protection. For traders, the important point is to consider gold alongside the wider market environment, including the US dollar, interest rates, inflation expectations, and overall investor sentiment. Gold may attract greater demand when confidence is under pressure, but its price still responds to the same changing market forces that affect other financial assets.